push, push there, turning soil everywhere. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald brings the hay. E-I-E-I-O. On the cow it rides his way. E-I-E-I-O. With the munch, munch here and the chew, chew there, happy cow eats fresh green hay. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald washes the cow. E-I-E-I-O. Splashing water nice and slow. Splash, splash here and splash, splash there. Old MacDonald had a dog. E-I-E-I-O. On his farm a playful dog. E-I-E-I-O. With a woof, woof here and a wag, wag there, happy puppy everywhere. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a horse. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he rode along. E-I-E-I-O. Clip clop here and clip clop there, Toddlers happy on the horse up there, riding through the sunny farm. Old MacDonald laughs with charm. E-I-E-I-O. Horse runs fast across the farm. Clip clop, strong and born. Old MacDonald found some honey. E-I-E-I-O. Golden honey from the tree. E-I-E-I-O. Buzz, buzz here and buzz, buzz there, little bees are everywhere. Sweet, sweet honey shining bright, Old MacDonald smiles with delight. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a duck. E-I-E-I-O. On his farm a happy duck. E-I-E-I-O. Quack, quack here and quack, quack there, splashing water everywhere. E-I-E-I-O. 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 Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. On his farm a playful cat. E-I-E-I-O. Meow meow here and meow meow there, happy kitty everywhere. Happy kitty everywhere. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a hamster. E-I-E-I-O. Tiny hamster running free. E-I-E-I-O. Squeak, squeak here and squeak, squeak there, tiny paws run everywhere. Happy kitty everywhere. E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had some chickens. E-I-E-I-O. On his farm he raised the chickens. E-I-E-I-O. Cluck, cluck here and cluck, cluck there, happy chickens everywhere. MacDonald loads them in the truck, driving down the market road, selling chickens at the town. E-I-E-I-O. Market road, selling chickens at the town. E-I-E-I-O.
Yay, Daddy!
Hello there, my little sprout. Whee! You're my little spinner. This is the life, isn't it?
I love our Papa!
Fresh juice, my love. Hug time.
Best hug ever to our happy family.